Hi everyone, welcome to Thyme. First I'll show you how to make pizza dough. Here are the ingredients. Add 2.5 cups of flour to the bowl. Add sugar and salt. Add yeast. Stir with a whisk. After that, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then mix everything together. Now add warm water only as needed to make a sticky dough. Mix everything using a whisk first. Make sure the water is warm, as hot water kills the yeast. Cold water doesn't activate the yeast. Now start kneading with hands. Add warm water little by little as needed. Sticky dough is ready. Now grease the clean surface with a little flour. Transfer the sticky dough to the surface. Start kneading to make a soft, elastic bowl for about 6 to 7 minutes by adding flour as needed. Stretch the dough and knead from outside to inside. Keep kneading as it's the most important step of the process. Add flour as needed. Make sure you knead for 6 to 7 minutes. Keep kneading. Our soft and elastic pizza dough is finally ready. Grease a bowl with 1 tablespoon of oil. Place the kneaded pizza dough in a bowl and coat its surface with oil. Cover it with cling wrap on top. Keep it in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours. Meanwhile, keep the pizza topping ingredients ready. Here are the ingredients. After 1.5 hours, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. The dough has risen up twice. See, the yeast is activated. Let's make 1 large pizza today. You can use a pizza stone, cast iron skillet, or a baking tray. I warmed up my baking tray. Grease the baking tray with a little oil. Dust it with a little flour. Transfer the kneaded pizza dough to the tray. Spread the dough to the corners of the tray. Spread as much as possible with your fingers. Mark the corners with your fingers. Push your fork down on the pizza dough. Spread pizza sauce first. Spread it throughout the pizza. Then add some cheese on top. Add all your toppings and add as much as you want. I started with onions. Chicken pieces, remember they are pre-cooked 3/4. The mushrooms. Add capsicums, but it's optional. Garlic cloves. And sprinkle red chili flakes on top, paprika powder, and Italian herbs. Salt as needed. Add a generous amount of mozzarella cheese on top. Clean the extra flour by the sides. Keep it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until the crust turns brown. Once it's out of the oven, look, the crust has turned brown and it's very cheesy. Slice it into pieces with a pizza cutter, or if you don't have one, use a knife. We got 8 big slices, and now the hot pizza slices are ready. Look, it has a crispy crust. Do you want a slice? It's yummy and it's cheesy. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!